ফুটবলাৰ জেএলবি ডাঙৰীয়া আগবাঢ়ি গৈছে সকলোকে তাৰ পাছে পাছে যাবলৈ কাৰণে অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ ধন্যবাদ
Salam. On.
Sir, nice to meet you. This is Babu Teron freelance channel, and then now I'm with ADC sir of Deputy Commissioner's office, and I would like to ask a few comments regarding about the third court relief program of this, which has been hosted by the Khelo India from the government of Assam. So, what infrastructure and what development and what comments, any feedbacks that you want to convey to the youths of Karbi Anglong, sir?
As all of we know that sports has many benefits from health, whether it is team spirit, you can say leadership, risk-taking ability, analytical thinking, goal setting, and so many things are there. Plus, so when you are healthy, as you know, healthy mind, sound mind, always live in a sound body or healthy body. So if you are healthy, you can contribute to the society also. If you, okay, so if you are healthy, you can contribute to the society. And one of the most important things nowadays is that any country is development, yardstick of development. One of the yardstick of development is sports. What is the performance of the country? Now you can see USA. It is developed and they are taking most of the goals in the Olympics. And we regard it as an advanced country. Well, development is linked to sports now. So if we perform because of Khelo India, definitely it will contribute to the our youth will come up with so many facilities they are getting into the infrastructures. So they will contribute and we will have a name in the world that India is also a developed country getting so many goals. And at the same time, we must be also aware of the demerits. There are certain demerits we have to be very careful. As you know, that when there is a game, there is a competition, it is good if there is a healthy competition. But if it goes beyond competition, over competitiveness is not good. Like, I will give you one example. You must be knowing that in 1970, there was a World Cup. And before that, in 1969, there was a war between El Salvador and Honduras. Why? It is called the football war. Why? Because of a football match, war broke out between two countries. That is over competitiveness. You should not carry the competition beyond a certain limit. So here also, competition should not lead to haughtiness or egoism on the part of the winner. And similarly, those who lose, they should not resort to blame game, excuses, and jealousy. Those negative qualities should not come up. That is why you should be a good winner and you should be a good loser. Good loser means you have to accept the defeat that I will perform better. No resorting to blame game. And good winner, you should not be haughty or egotism. No, I have won because, and you should not show off or be haughty. And always we have to think in terms of development of the nation. we have to bring good name for the nation, and also we have to be healthy, and that will in the long run to develop the economic development of the country. If you are healthy and you can perform it. So that's what I have to say. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me your privilege time. So I would like to relay this to all the viewers, especially who is on live right now, what our respected sir has been contributing from his mindset, so that it will be a fruitful to our youth brigade. And with life, Kaitiri Pator saying you goodbye and thank you. Some interview.
All right, what is it?
It's a privilege to you. Hello, sir.
This is the background.
It's a privilege with you, sir. It's a first rally of the Khelo Youth Games 2020. It's been conducted by the government of Indian Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. So I would like, this is a Teron personal YouTube channel. So I would like you to requesting you to give your views and comments on the infrastructure and for the welfare of the youth in Karbi Anglong. So may I have your word with you, sir?
Yes, it's a pleasure to be present on this torch relay occasion. Today, the 5th of January, and this Khelo India, which is going to be held from the 10th to the 22nd of January. The torch relay will start from here, and it will eventually make its way to the 33rd National Games Stadium at Khelo by the 8th of January. And we would like to actually encourage games and sports so that we all have a healthy lifestyle. As the saying goes in Greek, that mens sana in corpore sanos. That means a sound mind and a sound body. And sports should be actually encouraged, especially among the youth, because we as in India here having 130 crore population, but we win very few medals, individual medals or team events at any of this international meet, especially Olympics and other extravaganzas. And the infrastructure that we are coming up with over here, say for example, every constituency in this Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, so this is of them, 10 crores projects are coming up for construction of the stadium and other venues and playgrounds, so that people get to avail of this infrastructure for holding of this sports and games and other competitive events. Plus, an additional 10 crores have been allocated exclusively for Baitarangso constituency, which means West Karbi Anglong. There is also another 10 crores. So, from the government side, we have received a lot of fund, 9 constituencies over here. So 10 crores means 90 crores and another 10 crores. So means 100 crores already for West Karbi Anglong. It's now we need actually people to come forward and utilize this infrastructure to bring about the spirit of games, sports and this other sporting activities and competition, so that our youths shine wherever they go, and Karbi Anglong should be known as actually a sporting hub and a sporting powerhouse. So with these few words, I do hereby express my gratitude for being a part of this torch relay ceremony from Hamren, which will continue after Guwahati. Thank you all.
These are Lokon Elo, non monkey to Mansing Rongpi, APBN. La tapso Karbi Anglong is to man lamang so Khelo India puthak tapso lam kapasini hoti
Khelo India ke non pen patai ka thong deng lo pu da pen kam pen best ka pen non ke la pen kono la pen re bata ning Khelo ke Khelo India pen le tu best ka pen kam ke school ana tu bang pakhang pon dan pakhang pon ya bang ti motamti itu mendak ni ke kono mata emle ta comments below non ke 9 constituency along tinta ta kuti ke ke beso sport complex lo ta so sport complex along ti hai Khelo India along ke long pon pakai ke pon tu ta ko be min bang than pon ya ni ta tu bok lo pon ti ke tu best ka beng long bang ta ta tu Khelo India pa itu akin ni tu tu so mo to pai no apra tu pakhang pon ta so ni ke te ti các phụ con mỹ về chủ đô là bên những thế là ban cho
It's very fortunate to have a respected sir. And then we should have a word with him regarding the Khelo with Indian Games. So this is Teron YouTube channel. So I would like KAAC reporter to take a photograph, to take a comment from a section from our sir. I would like to have your privilege.
Third Khelo India Youth Games. It's come to Assam, and we are very fortunate that it's come to our place. My heartfelt greetings to all the people. I would like to request you all to watch the games, take interest, and all senior peoples, I would say, take your children, let them see the games, let them play games. This is the best chance. The government is giving all the facilities now. In our times, we didn't have all these games and all, so we did our best as we could, and we went outside. But now the government is giving you all facilities for improving your games, so the people should come forward, and all the children. This game is for you all. You have a platform. Be there. Come and enjoy the game, and play hard, and play to win. Thank you.
Sir.
Live kelang kemek itu non itu mah Karbi yang long pe lopot alang li itu mah alam sa alang arjiloni non arjipon sina
Kardom Karbiara Ratum non Indeng Etom Khelo India Youth Games Assam Along Riang Lelo si government na hinten khela dula ane important kiti si Karbi Anglong arat tumta langdo nai owe kimi tomhan palangdo nai papat tudu nai si non nile chuning rigela owe kimi tomhan lo sa khela ke teriso ejang tomhan si non lason opportunity so facility kiti pon ke government and mepik lo toro lo kasi non hello so opportunity ke andu nai rat tumta wangoy langdon noy really tum non lai langdon pen patudun pen anso se japatek dunang po se langdonang po kasi government apanta toro lo kasi rat tumta langinot langidun nang patudun nang kasi japatek dunang anso se japang tang dunang oke yang bong arlenga tumta seklang dona langsi
So we are very happy today that really hard Khelo India we have seen, and then we have got the privilege, the comment section, and all the opportunities that they have given us from the government of India, as well as in collaboration with the Ministry of Youth Affairs. So check it out with our cameraman KAAC reporter.